Hey guys, what's up? Thanks so much for coming to hang out with me today. I have a super exciting video. I finally got my hands on the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I came home from a 12-hour shift with clients, and so I just had to get my hands inside of this palette first thing this morning, and I could not be more excited. I also got my hands on the Diamond Wet Supreme Frost, and then as you guys can see, this bright velour liquid lipstick. If you guys have been to my channel, you know how much I love my Jeffree Star Cosmetics items. I love my Blue Blood palette and then like all my velour liquid lipsticks. I have Siberian Gold. I love every single thing from Jeffree Star that I own, and I'm always amazed by the quality of everything that he has, so I definitely jump on his releases. I'm just excited to sit down and show you guys how I got this makeup look that I'm currently wearing right now. This palette is stunning. I love this look, so let's just go ahead and get started in today's video. While you guys are watching, hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button. Join my YouTube family. We are growing slowly but surely, so let's just go ahead and jump on in. Before we get into the eyeshadow or anything else, I'm of course going to go in with the Diamond Wet Supreme Frost highlight because I could cry, I'm so excited. If I could find my highlight brush. Okay, I'm going to slick that back and get the whole thing, okay? Go into this beautiful, beautiful creation. Guys, it has little stars. Like this thing literally has baby stars. I don't have a highlight on that's just from the blush that I'm using, so I have like a slight glow right now. By the way, if you guys are interested in these earrings, they're actually from Vestique. If I find them online, I will link them down below, and you can always use my discount code if you guys want to, but I know that someone's gonna end up asking where they're from, so okay, now it's time. Oh my god. This formula is actually a lot more glittery than I thought it would be, but it's still so beautiful. What I assume it's like is the diamond thing, the diamond whatever it is from Fenty Beauty. I assume that's what it's like. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the palette, and I think I want to do, there's a lot to choose from. We're gonna go with like a sunset theme, so I'm going to start with the shade Wow, which is a neon yellow inside of here. I'm using a Sigma E25 brush to work that into my crease and just build it up there. I took the same Sigma E25 brush that I use with the shade Wow, and then I use the shade, well, it's the F word, but just not necessary to say that, you guys get it. As you guys saw, I took that shade, buffed it into my crease and a little bit more on my lid. Now I'm going back into the shade Wow. I'm just going to blend those two shades together a little bit more, bring out the yellow. I'm gonna take a little Luxie 121 brush, go in with the shade Wow and the F word again, and just kind of blend everything together down here on the lower lashes. Sigma E25 brush, I'm now taking the shade Bubblegum, which is like the neon pink right next to Wow, and I'm going to work that on my lid. I'm taking a Morphe M506 and going in with the shade Cherry Wet right here. I'm going to start building that shade into my outer corner, my inner corner, and then connecting it right here in my crease. gonna give this look a little bit more depth by going in with the shade Raspberry right here. And I'm going to take the Luxie 141. It's like a really small mini brush. I like this one for getting it inside of my crease, but not making it too dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that in there and just kind of start building it up a little bit. I'm taking that same shade down here on my lower lashes. Next, with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, this is in the shade Swan. I'm gonna take a little bit and just put it on the back of my hand right there. And then I'm just gonna take a really small detail brush. This is a Sigma Shader Inner Corner E46. And I'm going to take that on the middle of my lid and kind of start carving it out like a halo eye. Just to make whatever color I'm gonna put inside of here pop a lot more. Right on top of that concealer, I'm going to grab the shade Snack, which is the beautiful shimmery pink shade inside of this palette. This is going to be like an everyday color for me. I can already tell. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that right on top. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at how stunning that is. I'm gonna take the last shade, which is Lemon Drop right here, and I'm going to place that on my inner corner. To complete the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and put these lashes on off camera. These are the bold face lashes in the style Worth It. I love these so much. The eyes are officially done. I'm just waiting for the glue to dry, and now I'm going to do my lipstick. This is Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Yes Ma'am. I'm so excited. This is gonna go so perfect with this eye look. My lipstick and lashes are dried down, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys did enjoy this makeup tutorial. Let me know what else you guys want to see, because I have a lot of different ideas for this palette, so you guys will be seeing it a lot. Let me just tell you, like a lot, because I'm going to be doing so many looks with this. This just inspires me, so yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.